Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to talk about our brand new product we have launching on November 1st, which is our Aluram Pre-Wash Scalp Treatment. We are so excited to add this product into our line as a permanent SKU. It's going to be the perfect addition to your back bar support. Also, it's going to be a great retail item as well. So not only for us stylists, we're going to be able to utilize this at the back bar as a treatment that we can add on to our services, but it's also going to be a great retail item for our clients to take home to really make sure that they are maintaining their scalp health and really giving themselves that self-care treatment that they're looking for. So now I want to talk a little bit more about how we're going to use this product and what are some of the key ingredients with this product. So we know that all of the Aluram products are going to start with our base of coconut water, and we have marula oil that runs through all of our products. So you're already getting the extra hydration and moisture from the coconut water when we're going to be using this product. The other key ingredients that we have are going to be the sea kelp extract and the peppermint leaf extract. The peppermint leaf extract is really going to help give that cooling sensation to give you that really nice cooling and clean feel on the scalp. The sea kelp extract is going to help with nourishing and adding moisture back into the scalp. So with those two key ingredients, along with the coconut water and the marula oil, it's really going to help make sure that we are detoxifying, we're soothing, and we're moisturizing. So with this item, this is going to be used prior to your shampoo and condition. So with this, you have a really nice applicator that's going to help you with precision application when you're applying this directly to the scalp. So we're going to section out the hair, and you can use this nozzle to help section out the hair to apply this evenly to the scalp. So once we've applied this to the scalp, we're going to massage it into the hair for 3 to 5 minutes to make sure that we're really getting this product worked into the scalp, to make sure that we are detoxifying, we're removing any of that product buildup, and really making sure that we're working this into the hair. So we're going to work it into the hair for 3 to 5 minutes. I personally like using this best on dry hair because I can apply it easily, section by section to my hair, massage it in, and then sometimes I'll just toss a hair clip in and then go about my morning for a little bit, and then I'll go rinse it out. So after we've applied this to the hair, again, you can apply this on damp or dry hair. We're going to work it through the hair for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and rinse it out. So we're going to hop in the shower or at the shampoo bowl, rinse out this product, and then go ahead and follow with any Aluram shampoo or conditioner. So again, this is a pre-wash scalp treatment, so we're going to use this prior to our shampoo and condition. So after we've used the pre-wash scalp treatment, followed by any of our Aluram shampoos and conditioners, then we're going to go ahead and style out our client using any of our Aluram products as part of your prep, style, finish routine. Again, my favorite prep product is always going to be the Aluram leave-in conditioner. One of my favorite styling aid cocktail combinations is our Aluram styling cream mixed with a little bit of the Aluram shine serum. I'll work that through the hair evenly. And then now that we have our new amazing Aluram high shine anti-frizz blowout spray, I would spray that on top of the hair and then go ahead and start my blowout. So therefore you get the best of everything. You have your wonderful pre-wash scalp treatment, your Aluram shampoo condition, and then an amazing prep style finish routine to create that custom look for your client. We've already touched on how we're going to use this product, but let's kind of talk a little bit more about the ingredients that are in here. So we know that all the Aluram products are going to have the coconut water and the marula oil, and then the two call-out ingredients for this product are going to be the sea kelp extract and the peppermint leaf extract. The sea kelp extract is really going to help with the nourishing and the moisturizing of the scalp, and the peppermint leaf extract is going to help with that cooling and that tingling sensation. But now let's talk about the ingredients that are going to help with the exfoliation and really making sure that we are removing that product buildup on the hair and scalp very gently. So the key ingredients that we're going to use for the exfoliation are going to be the glycolic acid, the lactic acid, and the citric acid. Those are all going to be very gentle on the scalp to remove any of that product buildup gently to help really make sure that we are giving a nice, clean feel while gently removing that product buildup. Also, some of the questions that we've gotten asked about this product is it color safe? Well, you'll see that on all of the Aluram products, we have the color safe icon. So the ingredients that we are using in this product are still going to be color safe if we're going to be using this on our color treated client. Some of the questions that we've been getting asked is how often should my client be using this product at home and when is the best time they should be using it? So being there are a lot of very gentle and clean ingredients in here, we do recommend that they use this 1 to 2 times a week, depending on how often they wash their hair. If you have a client that uses a lot of dry shampoo, uses a lot of hairsprays and other products in their hair, they can really benefit from using this at least 2 times a week, just to make sure that they're keeping that hair and scalp really clean and detoxified. If you do have someone that doesn't really use a product and they're just looking for kind of that self-care night, then this is something that they could use once a week. Another question that we've gotten asked a lot is, can I use this on my clients that have extensions? So if we are going to be utilizing this on our clients that do have extensions, we want to make sure that we are using the precision nozzle to make sure that we are keeping the product focused directly on the scalp. We want to make sure that when we have that really nice application, that we're applying it to the scalp, really massaging it into the scalp. And we're not going to apply this directly where the extensions are bonded into the hair. It's going to give that really nice scalp refresh, especially prior to those clients coming in to get their extensions moved up. Another question that we've gotten is this product going to make my hair oily or too heavy, especially if I'm going to be layering on other products? So the great thing with this item is it is going to be very lightweight. So when you are applying this to the hair and massaging it in, it's going to be a very light formula, especially when we have those ingredients that are going to be removing any of that product buildup and giving you that really nice fresh start on your scalp. You're already going to feel hydrated and moisturized and light because you are removing any of that extra product buildup, the dead skin, anything that needs to be removed from the scalp. So you're gonna feel a lot lighter. So you're not gonna feel any of that oily buildup, or you're not gonna feel like it's too heavy. One of the other questions that we've been asked a lot about this product is, can we use this on our color-treated clients? Or when's gonna be the best time to use this on our color-treated clients? So with any scalp product and with the Aluram Pre-Wash Scalp Treatment, we don't wanna use this prior to a color service, and we don't want to use this right after a color service that same day. This is going to be that great option that you could use as that treatment service or treatment upcharge prior to a haircut to increase your haircut tickets. So this could be something that you could use prior to your haircut. You could incorporate this into your back bar treatment service by incorporating a pre-wash scalp treatment service. You would do your shampoo condition, and then you could even follow up or change out that conditioner with either the high shine glossing treatment or our hydrate and repair as an extra add-on service as well. So as we're adding more products into Aluram, we're really looking at ways that we can help salons and stylists really make sure that we are preparing and providing them the right information on what they can use for back bar treatment services and how to incorporate new products into their back bar services and styling routines as well.